There you go. That's module two. Good job. Now at this point, all you have to do is go through and do all that research for each of your golden prospects. I know it's going to seem like a little bit of work, but hey, you got to do a little bit of work to make money. And this is a type of link building activity that makes money. So no worries about the work. You'll get it done. It's just a little research. Now, what's going to happen next week? It's going to be the Christmas week. Uh, the module 3 is not going to be slowed down in any way. It will be released on Monday, which is Christmas. It'll be my Christmas gift to you that I'm going to work on Christmas. Not really. I'm going to upload all the videos and in the page and the email releasing module 3, so everything will be automated. But I don't want you guys, unless you don't celebrate Christmas, I don't want you studying on Christmas. Have a good time. Go out and do something. Then the day after Christmas, hey, come back and start your studying again then. All right, what's going to happen in Module 3? Well, we need to talk about that right now. Just to give you a little teaser. So far, once you get done with Module 2, your homework for Module 2, which is to complete your research that you've been doing, what's going to happen then is at the beginning of module 3, you're going to go through and figure out what your specific needs are for those prospects. What are your wants? What are your asks? What is it you want from them? Do you want to get a link from them? Okay, great. Where do you want that link to be? What page do you want that link to be at? And we're going to get into the specifics on the asks of what you're going to ask your client, or rather your prospect, when it comes time to when they're going to say, what do you need from me? You've done so much for me, what can I do for you? And then you're going to say, well, this is what I need. And you're going to share your ask. So that's what we're going to get into is that in module 3. And then we'll start the outreach then too. So see you then. I'm going to have a refill on my coffee and I'll see you on module 3.